It's Nat and Essie, plus Sprinkles the bear.
Help! Help! Somebody help me! Ursula has me trapped! I can't get out of here! I'm stuck! Please help me! Please! Ursula, please let Ariel go. She's got a big wedding tomorrow to make. Please, please give her her voice back. Oh, Trident, dear, you are so silly. Fine. If you want Ariel so badly, I will compete with you. Whoever makes the best squishy will win. Best squishy. I've got some friends that will help me. May the best squishy maker win. Now, Trident, dear, that's not everything. Because if I win, not only do I get Ariel's voice, I also get your trident. And finally, it will be mine. And I will be the queen of the sea. Daddy, no, that's too risky. That's too much. Ariel, we have to try. Wish me luck. Ursula's squishy is up first. Oh no. Let's go ahead and get our squishy and put it inside of our squishy maker. Make sure it fits real snug in there. Ursula is the color purple, so Ursula will have lots of purple in her squishy. This is perfect for Ursula. Let's stick it in her squishy. Whoa, it's all over the edges. What about some green? Ursula also is a deep sea creature, an octopus. And green is a deep sea creature color. And maybe some ocean blue. Whoa, let's add this as well. The next layer, of course, is adding some gooey slime. Clear slime mixed with the sparkles will make a really pretty slime. Let's go, pump it up. Whoa, maybe if I spin it a little bit, the sprinkles and sparkles will get everywhere. Ah, it's all over my fingers. Some more clear slime will definitely help this squishy. And a little bit more. But you know what? Ursula has more purple in her. I don't have any more purple color, but I do have this light blue sparkle. This will help it make more of an Ursula squishy. Whoa, there it goes, all over the top. And lastly, just a little bit more slime. That's a really big squishy. Whoa, this is going to be hard to beat. That's a really cool, super awesome squishy just made by Ursula. Oh no, King Trident's going to have a hard time beating this. Whoa, super duper fun and squishy. If King Trident wants to beat this, he has to think hard. Listen to that fun squishy. We can do this. I have courage. King Trident's going to make a squishy look just like Ariel. Let's put our squishy in the squishy maker. Ariel has a lot of pink and soft pigments. So let's put some soft pink pigment in the bottom of our squishy. Next, let's add some white. Whoa, and it looks like pearls. Whoa, we put a lot in. Let's cover this up with some slime and some oceanic blue. Whoa, that was a lot. Now let's add another layer and do it all over again. Some pink, followed by some slime, followed by white, followed by way more slime, and lastly some blue, with a dab more slime. I hope we did it. I hope this looks like Ariel, but Ariel colors and waves. Wow. I think Ariel did it. That's a really pretty squishy. Whoa, it looks like a marble. I mean, Ursula's is pretty too, but Ariel's just stands out. It's so pretty. which one's the winner? The winner is going to stay in my hand, and the loser is going to get really hot. Ready? Ow! Ariel won! She's free! Whoa, her squishy totally won. How did King Triton win? No!